Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and I wanted to share with you this grant. It's called Pets in the Classroom. This is the website, petsintheclassroom.org, and this is where teachers can bring a pet to their classroom as long as they're teaching in a public school, kindergarten, all the way to ninth grade. You can take a look. There's a ton of information. You'll see there's also contests. There's a habitat contest. You could just read more about it. I think you just submit a picture. And then I want to show you right here, there are certain pets you can select from. You can go through the application, see if you qualify. You can also be a private school, so I didn't know that. That's good. United States or Canada, yes. If this is your first time applying, I've reviewed and agreed to all the terms. And then I just want to show you, we did this and we got coupons that I'm going to share with you. But I'm thinking of emailing them and kind of not going with, we actually did the snake. So we're thinking about it, which kind of changed our mind and kind of getting the feel from the students. I don't know, I think we might do some sort of parakeet. So this is a chart. Here's the beginner, the pet type, intermediate. This is a little bit more advanced, taking care of a chinchilla. So this is what we got, this type of snake, ball python. We have the aquatic turtle, bearded dragon. That's what you saw right here in the front. I know in my last school we had a teacher who got the bearded dragon, and she got it when it was it looked very small. They grow big within the year. So it was nice watching it grow. So yeah, here are the options. And then they mail. I'm going to show you what they mail. I think to your home address. I got the letter to my home address, but they confirm, where you work. They email you to your school address, and then your email address, and then they mail you the coupons. So usually the habitat, the tank, wherever the pet will be living, whether it's some sort of cage. Usually it's like a all-inclusive kit that's usually free, and then they'll give you 50% off the food and the particular pet that you select. I haven't tried reaching out and just kind of changing our mind with the pet, so I'm going to see exactly how that works. But yeah, instead of the snake, we're probably going to do something else. We will keep you posted on what type of pet we get and show you pictures. But share this with your teacher, with your school, and hopefully you'll have a pet for your classroom, in more than one classroom would be great. Thanks. Have fun.